Since we're on this issue of the capital investment and the amount, 800,000, Joey, explain for us the law. Let's assume I'm a South African. I've got 500,000 safely and legally taken out, and it's in a U.S. bank account, but I don't have the 800,000. I was hoping to file under the 500,000, but I was one of those drag your feet people, and now I got caught, and the amount's gone up to 800,000. They thought it never would. I knew it would, but I got 500 out. I would still want to do EB5. I need to get another 300,000 out. What is the law in regard to, and I'll use the legal definition, investing or in the process of, I'm going to try and talk like a South African, by the way, Joey, for this presentation. I'm getting ready. When I go back to America, I have to talk like a South African, otherwise they get upset with me. They think I'm being snooty. So tell me, sorry.
Yeah, the regulations.
What is the regulation about in the process of investing?
Yeah, the regulations allow an investor to be actively in the process of investing and not make the full capital contribution and still be able to file the initial application, the I-526E.
Have we done any like that, Joey, in the past? We have?
Absolutely. And so what ends up happening is you sign an agreement with the project indicating that you have, your intent to remit the balance of that investment amount within a certain amount of time. And then once that money is invested into the project and you have that full 800,000, we submit what we call an interfile to update USCIS that the full investment amount has been invested. And I have done that in the past, and I have gotten approvals. It's written into the regulations. It's the plain language.
But it's still disfavored,
it's definitely
right?
an option.
But it's still disfavored. I mean, I still don't like it. I know you've done it, and people pushed us on it. Now with the higher amount, we probably have to do it more. I mean, is there a possibility you could be denied? What if the funds are not clearly identified at the time of filing? What if, I'm saying, oh, well, I'm going to get, isn't it very important to have the funds clearly identified? Like, here's the house, it's on the market, I need to sell it, I own the asset, it's fully my asset. Aren't there still issues attached to this, Joey?
Yes, there is, but that's why you work with experienced immigration attorney to make sure that you have some wiggle room. But I agree, it is important to identify potential sources of future investment when you're doing the initial filing, so that you can indicate that you were eligible at the time of filing. I think that's very important.
Yeah.
Stuart, can you jump in here, because I know you've been working on this as well.
I want to jump on here because, in fact, Joey helped me with a couple of filings on this basis back in 2019 when we had that deadline that we were all trying to close as many deals as possible.
Yeah.
But we do have a small offering which will most probably be closed by December, and we are allowing a down payment. With the balance needing to be secured within a relatively short period of time. So we are providing, for a very small few select investors, the opportunity to file with a substantial deposit, and then obviously a lot of scrutinization in terms of the collateral that will be liquidated and make up the balance.